Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of How to Become Digital Nomad. And today's episode is about traveling. So 10 years ago, I was in Brazil, and I was stuck. I didn't know what to do. Everything was closed, and I tried to get out of Brazil, go to Venezuela. They stopped me at the borders because I didn't have the visa. But I went all the way on land, and they let everybody inside except for me because I didn't have the visa, and they asked me to go back to Egypt to apply for the visa. At the time I didn't have enough money. It was like a bit of a situation, so I tried to look for things to do, and I discovered something called woofing. Woofing is basically willingly working on organic farms. It's something big in Latin America. I will send you guys the link of it. And basically what you do is you apply to these farms, and they usually give you food, accommodation, and basically you work there for free. So you work for a week or 2 weeks depending on the time you want, and then they give you food and accommodation, and you can stay there and you can learn a skill as well. So it's something cool if you are looking to do like a budget travel that has a little bit of experience and has a little bit of fun and not expensive at all. So check out woofing, it might be useful for some of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel and Facebook group and website for more tips and tricks on becoming a digital nomad, making money online, and yeah, that's it. See you.